My name is HP. I want to tell you about myself a little bit. I was born in Western Province in country of Thousand Hills. I'm an artist singing hip-hop music because it is the one of my favorite hobby in my life. I started this career since 2020 when I finished my high school. Someone tells me to keep going, appreciate them. Other ones encourage me, but it doesn't matter to me. But I try to work my best. But remember this, I told you it's my hobby, but my goal is to become professional big artist, and I will keep working hard. God bless me.
Yes guys, thanks for today. That was so nice. Yeah, we are done. We are done, man, okay? So this is my friend. Where HP?
Yo,
What's up?
what's up, my nigga?
Come on. Come close. Come close. Come close. So bro,
Today
we are finished
shooting.
to shoot this vlog, okay?
Yeah.
So tell the people to make subscribe on LB Films.
Yeah. Hey, fame. Hey, my fans. Go to check YouTube channel of LB Films to click subscribe and share, like and comment. Let's go. Thanks.
Don't forget to hit the bell notification
Subscribe.
below. Come on.
Cra.
Cra.